view for the morning. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. See that? It is French toast sandwich with egg and cheese, turkey sausage. Oh. Man, I'll let y'all know what it's hitting for. I put the address on the last post so y'all can go show the ladies some love. And the bro got
French toast, turkey bacon, and cheese eggs.
Cheese eggs, yeah.
Our French toast is one of the best in America, I ain't gonna lie.
Stay tuned, we're gonna get right back with you. Alright, y'all. Food review. About to get into this, you know what I mean? Y'all can see it. I took a little bite out of it already, but I ain't get the sausage part balls. Yeah, this joint's steamy.
I'm still dressing it. But one thing I do love about them, she keep the melted butter in the fucking squeegee joint. So she can hit your shit with that melted butter. I love it.
It ain't that freezer butter. This joint crazy. Yeah. This shit just right. You can tell the sausages wasn't frozen. Yeah, and it's the sausage patty. Yeah, this joint right. This joint right. I'm definitely a new customer, and I will be there every time she opens. Man, her menu crazy too. Menu crazy.
Down there, check out the North LA, man.
Definitely check that out. Y'all will not be disappointed.
Almost.
You got the powdered sugar off one, yum, yeah.
You know what?
I'm sorry, y'all, I can't even talk to y'all because this joint whamming. Whamming.
It's a good joint. I don't know why. My eggs look a little different. They're good though. I don't know the cinnamon in them.
You probably put a little extra in there.
Y'all see them?
I'm sorry how she was looking at, bro. You want to do him some eggs.
Hey, I scrambled them. Shit. I hope none of my big mamas feel no type of way about that one. You know?
I only tried this because, you know, I was new. But I'm definitely going to try a whole platter next time.
Makes you want to expand, right?
Oh, and she got the lemonades, too. I forgot.
Homemade.
Yeah, definitely got to get with her.
She be having homemade treats, too.
Yeah.
Bread pudding and stuff like that. Little treats.
Yeah, this is definitely a thumbs up. I ain't gonna lie. You know, I don't be lying to you on these reviews. Motherfuckers be on there, oh, this is good, this is good. This shit don't be good. I teach you the bean, the fat one. This shit good.
Yeah, this shit good. I'm the skinny fat one. Yeah. You know that saying, look light, but it's heavy though? That's me on a scale. You feel me? Right.
This is it. And I'm picky about my breakfast too, like.
It's the most pickiest fucking meal, right?
Mm-hmm.
Start the day.
It's gonna put me in a great mood for the rest of the day.
Gotta drop it just a little bit more. It's just so well proportioned.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be nice one. And she was all neat with it.
Mm-hmm. And just give you something to look at when you go down there.
Yeah.
It's a good view down there, you know?
That's a good view. And she was professional.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, y'all go get with her, man.
She had an exotic animal on the counter.
This is a thumbs up from me. Thumbs up from you, bro?
2.
2 thumbs up. Mm-hmm.
4 thumbs up in the coop right now.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all. 301 full review.
Signing out.
4 thumbs up.
OG Reek and
Fatboytunkcapone.